And now we will be discussing adding polynomials. So on the board I have two examples of things that you will come across. So the first one, we have a polynomial 6x squared minus 3x plus 4. And then the second polynomial is 7x minus 6. What we can do is simply, since we are adding these two things, we are just adding everything in here to everything in here. So if you wanted to, you could just write everything out together as long as you're adding. So we have 6x squared minus 3x plus 4 plus 7x minus 6. We got to keep that sign the same. Now we can start combining like terms and adding their coefficients. So first we're going to look like I see we have an x squared right here. And we only have one of those. So we're going to keep the 6x squared. Just going to cross that off so I know that I've dealt with it. Now I've got a negative 3x and a positive 7x. So I'm going to combine those. Negative 3 plus 7 is a positive 4x. And we have to keep that term in there. And now we have positive 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 is a negative 2. So our resulting polynomial when we added these two is 6x squared plus 4x minus 2. Now our second example is pretty huge. It also might make it easier, instead of writing everything from left to right, if we write things vertically. Kind of like when we were doing double, triple, quadruple digit adding and subtracting. We want to line things up vertically. So let's just start with this first term here. We're going to rewrite it. 4a squared b squared plus 3a squared minus 6ab. We're just going to start with that first one. Now, since we're adding, we're going to add this whole thing. We are just going to write each of these like terms underneath what we already have. So here we have an AB term. Here's an AB term. So I'm going to take this whole thing, negative 4AB. Then I have an a squared. Here I have an a squared, so I'm going to write that over here. And then I have a minus 5. I don't have anything with just a constant, so I'm going to write that out here. Now I'm going to take this last polynomial. I have 3 plus 7ab. So I have a 3 here, which is actually a plus 3. And I have a 7ab. I'm going to put it under the ab. So I have 7ab. And now what I can do is I can add all of these vertically. Now you don't have to start from the right side and move left. You can go in any direction you want, because you're not really carrying anything over like in regular addition. So here we just have one term of 4a squared b squared. We have 3a squared plus 1a squared. So that is plus 4a squared. Now we have three terms here. A negative 6ab, negative 4ab, and 7ab. Let's start adding these together. Negative 6 plus negative 4, that's negative 10. Negative 10 plus 7 is negative 3ab. And then finally our constants, negative 5 plus 3 is a negative 2. So now we get this as our sum of these three polynomials. Now we go practice.